Hi guys, welcome to Senathan Public YouTube channel. Today we are going to make potato chips. For this we will be needing some potatoes. So let's see how to make this. Guys, first wash your potatoes well, then peel it, okay? Soon as you peel your potatoes, put it into water. Okay, keep it for 1 or 2 minutes. And then take one of your potatoes and cut them into half. So guys, cut into small slices. So guys, you have to keep this until dry like 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. So let's stay until it dry. Okay. It until till the golden color. So guys, next mix your potato chips with salt and pepper. Ooh, it's ready now. Let's see how it tastes. Yummy. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Bye. I'm Ranitu. I'm Senitu.